In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import audio from your library into Serato DJ Studio. It is super simple. So first of all, what you need to have open is your program, and it should be looking something like this. And there's two options for you to do. The first one is go up here to where it stands Files, and then find your audio in one of your saving. The other way, and a little more practical way if you're as unorganized as I am, you can go down out here and find your music and just drag them into your program like so. And as you can see now, you have imported it, and to start playing it, you can just take it and drag it up to your here. And then you can click space or play. And as you can hear, you probably can't hear anything. There, you have imported your audio into Serato DJ Studio. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!